So in this Threads tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to import a profile picture from Instagram onto Threads. So once you have Threads open up on your device, make sure you go to your profile page. So if you're on, the feed page, or if you're on the search bar for whatever reason, go to the bottom right and press on your profile. Then once you're on this screen, press on edit profile. So right beside share profile, I'm right above Threads, right below followers, it says edit profile. Press on that. Press on this icon right here. So right where it says name, all the way to the right, there's a circle with a plus with a, it looks like a person. Press on that, and then simply go to where it says import from Instagram. It'll then import it from Instagram and do it for you automatically. So for me, my profile picture is actually non-existent on Instagram, but regardless, that is how you guys can import a profile picture from Instagram onto Threads. I hope this video helped.